Everyone, today we are going to learn letters. This is the letter A. A is for apple. A is for alligator. This is the letter B, and B is for ball. Ball. Letter B. The letter C. C is for cat. Cat. This is the letter C. This is the letter D, and D is for dog. Dog. This is D. Let's take it out. This is the letter D. This is the letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant. E. The letter E. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Fish. Yes, this is the letter F. This is the letter G. Goat. Letter G. Goat. The letter H. House. Horse. Let's do it. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Igloo. This is the letter J. J is for juice. Juice. This is the letter K. K is for kite. Kite. Letter K. The letter L. L is for lion. Lion. Is the letter M. M is for monkey. Monkey. M. Letter N. N is for nest. Nest. This is the letter O. O is for orange. Orange. Letter O. Is the letter B. B is for pencil. Pencil. The letter Q. Q is for queen. Queen. Yay. Letter is R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R. Letter is S. S is for sun. Sun. S is for snake. Snake. This is the letter S. Letter is T. T is for tiger. Tiger. T. The letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Letter U. This letter is V. V is for van. Van. V. This letter is W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. W. The next letter. And this is the letter X. X. Xylophone. Letter X. And last letter is Y. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yellow. Yellow. The alphabet Y. First alphabet letter is Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Ta-da! Thank you so much for watching the alphabet video. Bye everyone.